First, I want to say we're really excited about our homeschool peers. My colleague who has homeschoolers as her territory is really passionate about it. So know that we have not forgotten about you, right? We are generalists. Our job is to know a lot about all sorts of different high school curriculums and students truly from everywhere in the world. And so we have not forgotten about you as homeschoolers. So when a parent is writing that recommendation letter as the counselor or the teacher, we understand that sometimes parents are fond of their children, right? It makes sense that you as a parent or your parent thinks that you're really awesome. And so while we fully really, right, we read and we trust and we take at face value what you share with us in those letters, we also know that your parents hopefully love you and are going to express that excitement in a letter. But helping us understand, because your curriculum and the classes you're taking aren't compared to sort of right like that broader big group of high school students, helping us understand from another perspective is really helpful. So if you have someone else who can write a recommendation letter, I would then encourage that with sort of some careful thinking about who and how. Um, so every college is going to have different sort of requirements or questions about the recommendation letters. For example, Swarthmore asks for one from your counselor and two from academic teachers. Let's say those letters are coming from a parent or parents and family members. Helping us understand through a supplemental letter someone else who's worked with you and can speak to your curiosity or your involvement. So that could be a supervisor in a job you have. It could be if you're part of a homeschool group or you've taken any sort of online coursework. Maybe you've taken a dual enrollment college class through your state dual enrollment system. Maybe you've done a summer program, or maybe you go, maybe you love birding and you've developed a relationship with a local conservationist or birder in the area who's sort of an informal mentor. Maybe that person could write for you. Quality over quantity when it comes to these supplemental recommendation letters. We are already reading a lot of the materials for you, and we're happy to read what you submit. But four letters that tell me the exact same information are less helpful than two letters, one showing me about how excited you are to learn about birds and how it relates to your biology interests, and one letter telling me about your involvement in the community. Or maybe that is one letter total, right? Maybe your conservation work has led you to develop a program where you go and teach third graders at the local elementary school about birding. And so we get some of that in both. So having that outside perspective is really helpful if you have someone in your life who can write that letter. And again, as hopefully through the examples I shared, you can get creative with who that is.